Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PC keyboard keys typing wrong characters in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So as the initial step, you have to check and set correct keyboard language and layout. To do that, you have to go to Start menu, go to Setting. You can go to the setting by just press Windows key and I on your keyboard. Once you're there, in the left side menu, select Time and Language. And in the right side menu, you need to select language and region. In the preferred language section, make sure you are selected the correct language. If you don't see the correct language setting, you have to tap on add language option. So there are several languages in here. You can simply search that one and simply add that language on your computer. And then after, come back to the previous setting place. Then after, tap on typing in this style. Scroll down and tap on advanced keyboard setting. Make sure select the override language as your preferred language. In my case it is English United States. Once you're done with that, you can close this one. The next method is disable numlock. Sometimes the numlock key causes the letters to be replaced by numbers or symbols. Press the numlock key once to toggle it off and test your keyboard again. And next method is update or reinstall keyboard drivers. To do that, you have to right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager option, double tap on Keyboard section, select your keyboard, right click on it, tap on Update Driver, tap on Search Automatically for Drivers. Once you're done with that, you can close this one and close this one also. The next method is you have to run the keyboard troubleshooter. To do that, go to Start menu, go to Setting. In the left side menu, select the System option, and right side menu you need to scroll down and tap on Troubleshoot option, tap on Other Troubleshooters option. So you need to find keyboard option in here, just tap on Run. Now it is detecting the keyboard related issues. Wait for the detect the issue. Okay, in my case there are no issues found. If you see any issue is displayed in here, you have to fix that issue manually, or it will be fixed it automatically. So once you're done with that, you can close this one. And the next method is use the on-screen keyboard to test. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type on-screen keyboard, tap on it. Now you need to type using on-screen keyboard like this, using your mouse. Check the keys are working correctly or not. If the on-screen keyboard works fine, your physical keyboard may have hardware issues. You can try with different physical keyboards. And the next method, next and final method is restart your PC. To do that, you can go to Start menu, go to power icon, just tap on Restart. I hope these methods will be fix your issue, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.